Hi, in this video I will show you how to update Huawei E5573 LTE modem, connect your smartphone with the modem Wi-Fi network and open AI Life on your smartphone. Tap on the device to connect to it. Tap on the three dots and tap on the device update, and if there's any possible update, your LTE modem will automatically update. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.